Ay, kagwapo naman yan, no? Kagwapo naman yan, no? Kagwapo naman yan, no? Kagwapo naman yan, no? Let me know when you're ready, no?
Hi, mommy.
Kagwapo naman yan, no?
Yum.
Yum, 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 yum.
Mommy.
Yum, 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 yum.
Yum, you want choc?
Wow.
Hindi na Christmas.
Yum.
Wow.
You already even true.
Yum, 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 yum. Okay.
Tita, I know how to play this too.
Yay! Happy New Year! Go! Mm.
Okay. Okay. So basically, you're gonna. Okay, so basically, you get like so me and Chloe are gonna play.
It's called Poison Game?
Yeah.
So, pakita mo nga yung ano, yan. That's Poison Game daw. And then, okay.
So you're gonna. The other person has to close their eyes and have to pick like a random candy.
Okay.
And then kapag kinain nila, lose na siya.
Kapag kinain nila, lose.
Yung sinabili mong candy.
Oh.
So kunwari eto.
Oh.
Tapos kinain po ni Chloe, talo na siya.
Ah, dapat di niya kakainin.
Tapos pipili din po siya na sa kanya.
Okay, ikaw nga, give a sample. Si ate will give a sample.
Okay, close your eyes.
Oh, yan. Okay.
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 Wait. Okay.
Wait lang. Oh, yun lang. Ayun.
Okay.
Oh, sige.
So, basically, yeah. Hindi ko na.
Okay.
Wait. So, hindi ko nakita. Kinain ko yung
Oh.
candy na pinili niya.
Oh.
Out na po ako nun. Manalo na siya.
Ah, okay, okay. Oh, sige. Okay.
Okay, go! Wait.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Done? Wait, Ate, wait. Close your eyes. Okay. Okay. You first. Wait. Shave. Okay.
Ah, I see. Okay, okay. That's interesting. Okay.
Ate!
Oh, si Mingming muna.
Go pick your.
Oh, maybe pick yours.
Save.
Oh, okay. All right. You're. Oh, wow. Okay. Okay.
One lang sa'yo, ah. Save sa akin.
Mhm.
It's very.
Di pa kitang manok?
Save.
Nandi ko pa.
Huwag mo na kainin. Save. Go! What did I sound like that? Then later. Finish first. Mine is blackberry. Save. Blackberry. Okay. Save. 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 Okay na? Yeah.
Oh! Ay, hindi ba? Wait lang.
Save. Save. Okay. Orange.
Oh, nice.
Save.
Wait lang. Ano kasi pinili?
Okay.
Close your eyes, ate.
Okay.
Okay.
Like your save?
What color? Yan. Oh, nice. Ang galing naman.
Go.
Oh, nice, Mingming. Good. Good job.
Okay. I know this is
Happy New Year!
because
I'm here at Tintin and Yum Yum house. There. Happy New Year!
save. Oh! Oh my God!
Ang galing naman.
Happy New Year! Yum, Happy New Year! Yum!
Go.
Yum!
Yeah.
Jumbo hotdog.
You know what I picked?
Jumbo hotdog na! Jumbo hotdog.
Galing naman.
Poison!
So yan, dahil pinili, automatic Papupunta sa'yo yun.
Yung point po.
So kukunin mo siya yan. Kukunin mo siya. Hindi. Okay.
No, baby. Enough. Okay. Again. Ano naman? Yeah.
Nice. Happy New Year.
Go after. Di ba hindi pwede madami?
Ay, hindi pwede maraming ganyan, no? Ayan na na.
Nice.
Wala ka dito.
No, it's not something you can... It's not something we do at home.
But,
The grand prize, it's not something we do at home.
sleepover!
No, it's not something we do at home, not at my home, not at your home.
So it's outside.
Yeah. That's the grand prize. Mommy, Daddy, you know what's the grand prize?
Yes.
It's something we would do outside.
Sledding.
No.
Sledding?
No.
Wait, do you need tickets for it?
Later, I will announce.
Okay. Okay, me first.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, I heard you. You done? No. Okay. Wait.
Oh my God.
Wait. Okay. Okay.
Ano napili? Okay. Okay.
Me first. I don't know. So that's laughing because we.
Okay.
Let it go shape.
Pwedeng same. Okay. Okay. Again.
Okay.
Oh, I give her a gummies.
Later, Mom, you said no more.
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, close it up. Okay. Go. Safe.
Safe.
Oh.
Safe.
Safe.
Safe. Poison.
Yay!
This is what I think.
1 point. Okay, for win, she'll get where's the candy cane?
Candy cane?
Yeah. Where's the candy cane? For this one, whoever wins will get the candy cane, okay?
It's okay. It does not
All right.
matter.
Okay.
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 Okay. Safe. 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 Yeah, safe.
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 But you said you want to be both stuff.
Safe.
No.
What did you want to be? What do you want to be? What do you want to be?
Bag? Na mami ka nun eh.
You want to be a mommy? Holy cow! You're only 3. Holy cow! When you're big. Oh, wow. Who won?
Look.
Okay.
This is our poison.
Okay.
No, you get to pick. I'm already done.
Okay.
Just pick.
All right.
Yes! I win!
Okay. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Woo! Okay, guys. The second game is done. Yay.